Okay, so we're recording now. And again, and I know I've already told you this, but since we're just now starting a video, I'll repeat what I said. Some of these discussions and announcements are set up to where you automatically get an email every time there's a post. And I know not everybody wants that. So what I'm going to do is show you how to avoid that. But the first thing I'm going to need you to do is share your screen. And you can do that by, see, if you look at the bottom of the screen, there's little icons. There's a little microphone and a little camera and a little box that has the CC in it, and then the little hand, and then the box that you need, which is a square with an up arrow. So you'll click that and then just hit, it'll give you three options. It'll say your entire screen, a window, or a tab. And just to make it easier, I would just pick your entire screen. Can you do that for me?
Well, I did, but I don't know what it's doing.
Okay, so after you hit the box and then you hit your entire screen, then it'll show you like a preview. So you click on that preview, and then you'll see at the bottom right of that little box it says share or cancel. So you'll hit the share button. Perfect. Yay. All right. This is great. Now, if you can go to your discussion, the module 1 discussion, please. Yeah.
I got lost somewhere, but
That's all right. You're on the right track there. Okay. Module 1 discussion. Perfect. Now, see there's a little gear icon up at the top right. Yep. If you click on that, what you want to do is, well, if you don't want to get an email for each one, you hit that where it says unsubscribe from this forum. And that's what you want to do. Exactly. And now you will not get an email every time someone posts something. The only downside to this is, though, when I post something, like even if you make a post and I reply to your post, you don't get an email for that anymore either. So what you'll need to do, if you've done this, if you unsubscribe, then make sure you go back every once in a while and check your posts to see if I've left any comments, which is good advice anyway, regardless of your.
Well, I go back and look at them anyway.
Yeah. Perfect,
Sometimes
yeah.
I can't remember how many I did,
Right.
how many I replied to, or whatever.
Yeah. Well, and while we're having that discussion, I might as well mention there is no maximum number of times you can post. So if you just want to be better safe than sorry and do an extra, reply, feel free. But yeah, and not just you, but anybody watching the video, make sure if you unsubscribe, please make sure you go back and look at those posts. And also, I recommend, while I'm on the subject, if you have the time, read other people's posts too, and read the comments that I've left, because you can learn.
I do.
Yeah, exactly. You can learn from other classmates' mistakes, because you can see where I said, all right, student, can you define this, or could you add this information? That way, by the time when you go to Alexa, stop the timer. When you go to do your own post, you'll have already read my feedback to other students, and it gives you a really big heads up as to what you should do. So yeah, that's it. And that's a great video. Let me stop recording. That shows exactly how to unsubscribe to stuff. And